Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 4. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared plus 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.